entertainment lawyer Mitra Ahouraian stuck around to help break this all down for us. Okay, Mitra, this seems like it would be like a very high bar to prove. You have to be able to prove that in some way there was real harm done to your child. How do parents do that?
Yeah, so this is a really valiant effort at trying to fix a problem that everyone's been concerned about, is social media and kids. With the bar of proof, it's a really tough one because you have to establish first that there was a damage done, right? So you're going to need experts like psychiatrists or medical doctors showing that there were developmental issues, there were psychological issues, all of this. And then to go beyond that, you have to show causation. You have to show that that was the direct reason, the use of the social media was the direct reason why, and that's really hard to do. Correlation is a lot easier to prove, that people happen to have mental issues, but it's kind of like what came first. So you have to show that causation, and that's going to be the challenge.
And is there an actual definition of what bad faith is, or is it up to the judge's discretion?
Well, it's up to the judge's discretion, and this is something that's sort of beyond that. It's almost the equivalent of, we have a doctrine in criminal law called the fruit of the poisonous tree. So when you have evidence that's obtained illegally, really everything that sort of stems from that is bad fruit. So it's sort of that same equivalent in civil court, and it's really up to the judge to decide, what the penalty is for this level of bad faith.
Well, if I'm a citizen in Memphis, I am terrified because this is not only an increase in crime, but it's an increase of crime by strangers. I could walk out my house and be shot at, or I can be abducted. And I think understandably the citizens of Memphis are concerned. It's a scary thing. And I think what's really coming front and center right now is the truth in sentencing laws, which I'm sure we'll talk about. The frustration that both of these are repeat offenders who did not serve their full sentences. So, could they have been rehabilitated had they? That's a question.